Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay. Are you ready for today's lesson? You are? That is good. Today, in agricultural science, we are going to be learning about crop diseases. Okay? Our topic for today in agricultural science it's on crop diseases. Are you ready for the lesson? You are right? Good. Crop diseases means when plants, like the ones we grow for food, get sick. Just like people can catch a cold or get fever, plants also get sick from things like tiny germs, bugs, or bad weather. And this makes them look bad or not grow well. Okay? Do we understand that? So crop diseases are like the problems that can happen to plants in the fields or gardens. Okay? Causal agents of crop diseases. Causal agents of crop diseases means the things that makes plants or crops get sick. These agents are like the reasons why plants can become unwell. Okay? Bacteria, tiny living things that can harm crops, like how they can make us sick. Bacteria, these are tiny single-celled organisms, okay, that can harm crops by infecting them with diseases. They are like the germs that make us sick. Do we understand that? Viruses, even tinier than bacteria, like the bugs that give us a cold. Viruses are smaller than bacteria and they can infect plants, causing diseases. They are like the tiny bugs that can give us a cold. Okay? Fungi, like the mold that can grow on bread but on plants. Fungi are like molds that grow on crops and causes diseases. Okay? Pests, insects, and critters that chew on plants and make them sick. Sometimes insects and other pests can damage crops. They chew on the leaves or roots of the plants and make them sick. Weather and soil. Sometimes too much or too little rain or other weather problems can also make crops sick. The weather or soil condition can make crops sick. Too much rain or not enough can harm them. Okay? So these are causal agents of crop diseases. Remember, causal agent of crop diseases means the things that make plants or crops get sick. Bacteria, viruses, fungi, pests, weather and soil. These things make plants get sick. Do we understand? These little agents are to blame for plants getting sick. Okay? Good. So next, we are going to be looking at Common crop diseases. Common crop diseases, okay? There are the sicknesses or problems that often happen to plants we grow for food, like fruits and vegetables. Just like people can catch a cold or get a fever, plants can also get sick. And these common crop diseases are like the usual or frequent illnesses that affect them. Okay? It's like when many people get the same kind of sickness. Many plants can get the same crop diseases. Powdery mildew. It's like a white powder that covers plant leaves and makes them look dusty. Powdery mildew makes plants look dusty and white. Tomato blight. This disease can make tomato plants turn brown and die. Turns tomato plants brown and sick. Potato late blight. Just like tomatoes, potatoes can also get a disease that makes them look brown and icky. Potatoes can get sick too, turning brown and icky. Rust. Rust is a disease that can affect wheat and other grains. It makes leaves turn rusty brown. So rust is a disease for grains like wheat, making leaves rusty brown. Citrus canker. This disease affects citrus trees like oranges and lemons, causing bumpy growths on the fruits. Citrus canker affects citrus fruits like oranges and lemons, making them bumpy. So these are common crop diseases. Scientists and farmers work hard to keep crop healthy, just like doctors keep us healthy when we are sick. Farmers also try their best to overcome these common diseases. Okay, so today's lesson on crop diseases, we understood it, right? We said plants get sick, right? And when plants get sick, it is called crop diseases. We looked at the causal agents of crop diseases. And we said the causal agent is what makes plants sick, right? It can be tiny living things like germs, which are bacteria and viruses, or even small creatures like bugs. Sometimes it's bad weather, right? Or other things that hurt the plants. We then looked at some common crop diseases. These are the usual sicknesses that happen to plants we grow for food. And some common crop diseases include powdery mildew, tomato blight, potato late blight, rust, and citrus canker. Okay, so we understood today's lesson on crop diseases, right? Good. So next we are going to be looking at our assignment. I'm sure we are going to be able to do our assignment, right? That's good.